Hi, this is Vikas Rajpurohit. In this video, we are going to write our next SQL query for our project GoodCabs Analysis. So here in this query, it is asked that we need to get average fare per trip by city, highest and lowest. So here we need to calculate the average fare per trip for each city and compare it with the city's average fare distance. So here we need to get average fare and average trip distance. So we just need to check in which table this information is present. So I check here. If I run this, then we have this distance travel. We need to get this average and fare amount. We need to get this average. So let's write our query. Also, we need to group by it. It is mentioned that for each city. So we need to just group by city name. And we have already write this query in our first query. We have already grouped by and we already joined these two tables, fact trips. So I will just copy paste this and I will modify our query. So just write this. We just got city name and I will just write as city name. And after that, what we need to get? We need to get here. We need to get average fare. So if I check here, this is the column for fare average amount. I will just copy this column and I will just write it here. Since we have given alias t for this, so I will just write t dot average fare amount as average fare. Okay, and after that, what we need another column. We need this average trip distance. So if I check here, so we have trip distances, distance traveled kilometer. I will just copy this field name and I will just write it here as t dot as average distance. Now I will just write these and I will just write this group by city. So we do not need to use this alias here. I will just group by. Okay, so here we just got the general just the general field. We did not apply group by condition, and we as already know that whatever the column we are using with group by need to use the same column with select statement. So here we are using city, so this is fine, but these columns are going to give us a problem. If we are just going to write these column here also, then it is fine. But if we are using other column than using with group by, like if I'm using other column than city name which is used with group by, then I will have to use aggregate function. So here I will write aggregate function. We already have, that is average. We just need to get average. I will just write average of this amount. Same I will write here, average travel distance, and I will just run this query. Okay, so here I got this average for these. I will just do one thing. I will just round these in 2 decimal. Round 2. And same I will use here also. I will just round this with 2 decimal. Okay, and I will just quick run this again. And okay, so we got average fare and average distance. So what we need, another information in this table. We need to identify the cities with the highest and lowest average fare per trip to access pricing efficiency across location. So this is very crucial part in this, and also very much of learning part in this query. So here how we can get highest and lowest average fare. We just need to give a ranking for these highest and lowest. For highest we will give 1, and for the lowest we will also give 1 for the lowest, but based on condition. So let's write. So before this writing subquery and subquery again we will write our city. City is just common table expression. We are just using with city as this. I will just fix the formatting and close this. Okay, so here city is nothing but just a table name. We will give table name what we want to use here, table name. So what we are calculating here, we are calculating average fare per city. We are calculating it per city. We are using average fare and average distance, but I will just give average. Okay, I can just write this as average per city. So why it is giving an error? If I just write here select, why it is giving error? Yeah, our query is correct. If I just I don't know why it is giving errors. I will just write select all from this table, and if I just run this, then syntax error. There is something syntax error. What syntax error we have done here? Average city with average city. Okay, we just deleted this average. Sorry, as we just need to mention with table name as. This is a silly mistake, and I will just run this then. Okay, I got the same information from this table. So now here we will write another table. We will create another table here. So when we are writing multiple tables, multiple city temporary tables using with, then we do not need to use with again and again. We can just start our next table query writing here. Just give a comma, and we can just writing here. So I will just give this name as rank status. Since I'm giving here ranking, so I will just give ranking as, and from here I will just start writing our query. So what all the information we need, I will just write that we need select from which table. What information we need? We need information from this table only, from average city. And what information we need? We obviously need city name as it is. Apart from this, we will get average fare also and average distance also. Now we need rank. We just need to write it highest and lowest rank. We just need to write rank here. So here we will write rank function. So let me just get this. Rank. So we are using rank. So this rank basically works that if there is a similar rank, similar fare. Let's suppose we have this first fare 283 and 69, and in second line also it is have 283 and 69. Then it will assign rank 1 only to the both the rows, and after that we have 179. So this will directly assign rank 3 to this data. It will skip rank. And in case if we use dance rank, we also have this dance rank function. I don't know if it is not highlighting here, but we have this function also, dance rank. And so dance rank basically works it like it will not escape. It will give rank 1 to this similar data, and in 179 it will give rank 2 only. But here we just need to give we just need to use rank function, because we do not want to give dance rank. And how does it work? We know that whenever we are using Windows function in SQL, we just need to use over and condition. In over we will write our condition. Rank will assign rank to the each row, and based on this condition over, what condition we are getting, we just need to give. We will just order by we will give average fare, and we will assign it descending. We will give descending because we need highest. From highest to lowest, the first one it will give assign the rank 1, and we will give it a highest as highest. Highest rank. And same we will use with this. Okay, I will just this highest rank, and here I will give rank function same, and I will just give lowest, and here we will use ascending order because it will give order ascending, so minimum value will be lowest value. So this is how we will write our ranking, and after ranking we just need to give one more condition, and when to assign status. Here I will just close our query, and again I will just write select. If I just write select what all the but from which table we need information from, because we are already using city name average fare in this table only, so we will use this table only now here. And what all the info we need all this. And apart from this, we need to give rank status. For rank status, this is highest and lowest. For this we just need to give the condition case what we will give simple rank. So when we will simply write it as when highest rank equal to 1, then we will assign this as highest. And same condition we will use here for the lowest. So when simply we will write the lowest rank equal to 1, then we will assign it as a lowest, and we will just close the case statement. So we will just use and as, and I will give this name as rank status. So now how it will work, that now here whatever the rank we assign 1, so wherever it will be like 1, that only will be considered as highest, and wherever rank lower rank would be 1, it will assign it will give name as lowest from ranking. We got this information. Now we just need to give one condition only. Before this, let me just I have written this, and let me just quick run this. So what answer this table is giving, what answer this query is giving to us. Just running. Okay, so we got highest and lowest. So why here it is giving null value? Because we have given this condition that highest would be 1, then only give me answer highest. Lowest would be 1, then only give me answer 1. So this is saying that here average fare is lowest, then it is giving lowest. And if I check here, so it is the highest price. If I just short this, you will get that if I short this is the highest value and this is the lowest value, but we do not need this null value, null between these highest and lowest. So here we will simply write condition that what value we just need. So I will write where we are getting this. So we only need this information, this highest is equal to 1 or lowest equal to 1. So or works is like if any one condition is true, it will give answer from table. And lastly, I will just give order by. Since I need highest to lowest, so I will just give rank status as descending. Okay, so we got highest and lowest by average fare. Descending, if I just write it as normal, by default it is ascending order only. So it is giving by average fare, highest and lowest. So this is how you can get highest and lowest value in your data by using a rank function. So what was the two main crux here or main learning here? Here we can say that how did we use round and average function, and we learned this group by here, we learned this join here, and also group by, that how group by works. After that we learned this windows function rank will assign rank to the each row, and over is we use for the condition, for the windows condition. And what condition we use, assign highest or lowest, descending order. After that we use this case, true or false condition, like that. So when rank is 1, we assign this one, and for the lowest one, and this is how we got our answer. Apart from this, I just want to talk one more thing about this. We can even write views. So here if I just if I run query, then I just need to run this with a statement or with table again and again for this only. But we can write views here also, so we just do not need to use this with query again and again. So we'll learn this about the views in next videos. That is all in this video. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more such videos.